What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As you can see by the title thumbnail, I do have another huge box of pieces. And yeah, I got the same fit on because I filmed this video the same day I filmed that last video about the rack. So yeah, I don't want to hear no shit in no comments. No, I'm talking about. But it's hot as hell out here. I'm gonna go ahead and hop right on into it. Make sure y'all hit that like, comment, subscribe. Ring that bell for future videos. And make sure y'all hype a nigga video too, know what I'm saying? I'm trying to, yeah. Alright, we about to get this unboxed real quick, know what I'm saying? I ain't bring no scissors or nothing, so I don't know how the hell. Alright, we're back. I want to film an Instagram short, but I don't know how to film an Instagram short. Well, reel, whatever shit. And my YouTube at the same time. Let me set this up real quick. Alright, I'm just gonna open the box and just throw it all out on the ground everywhere. I had to get up out there, son, hotter than a bitch. Alright, let's see. First item, what we got? This is on an American Craftsman's tag. And these are all like military blazers and jackets. That's a nice one. 2 patches. I'm gonna have to search these, of course. Let's see what we got next. My hair is making me hot as hell out here. Size large on this one. Tag. I don't know about the tag. Another little green one. This might be a quick video. It's hot as hell out here. This one, what's this tag? All rolled up. This one is a size 37 regular. Has the normal little paper military tags. This one is like a sergeant or something. If you know, then you know. These little triangle thingies, those are like the sergeant patches. Let's see if it has an inside tag. 100% wool, U.S. Army uniform, roll sleeves, too clean. But I can tag some of these just off the material. 100% wool. There's another little tag in the inside. This one has the date on it. 1967. Crazy. I don't know if y'all know how to date military stuff, but that's the first tag. And in the pocket, it has a tag that says, wait, let me get it. That little tag, DSA-100-67. So this one's 1967. Crazy. That one that's 1967. Too clean. And it has the sergeant patches. I gotta figure out what all these patches mean, of course. This one is a size 41 large. It does have a little US button on the collar. Let's see, inside tag, what's this one? Some of them have been dry cleaned before. Another military tag. This one says, let's see, tropical wool polyester, boom, boom. Let's see the date. 1969 on this one. And the navy blue is usually like the Air Force or something. 1969. We got another one. This one is definitely the Air Force. You can tell by the sleeve hit. Let's see the tag in the inside. 100% wool. Tropical, spec number, DLA. I don't think this one has the DLA number on it. Let's see. Doesn't have the DLA number, but all you gotta search is, let's see, contract number, spec mil. You can search any other numbers, honestly. I don't fucking know. Air Force. And it could be other tags in there, but it's hot as hell. I don't even want to look through it right now. Next, we got this. Let's see. This one is a size 42 large. We support, and it has a lot of pins. Shoulders. Got a little chest pin. I'll show y'all this one. This one is another sergeant one. 42 large. This one is dated 1988. This one. You got this big navy blue. And if y'all hear that sound in the background, I don't know what the hell our neighbors are doing. Yeah, big navy blue one. Let's see the tag on this one. Oh, this is like a fire department. Oh, this is too clean. The button says FD. The only person I seen find a fire department coat was Emma Rogue when she went to like the rag house one time and she didn't get it. In my mind, I was like, damn, she should have got that probably. Somebody would have wanted that cool item. It's made by Eagle Sense, California. Never heard of it. This one is August 4th, 1947. No fucking way. Damn, that's crazy. That's crazy. Crazy. Whoever was wearing this, racist as hell. This one feels like 100% wool. Let's see if I'm right. Got this other one. Show y'all this one. Boom. My guess, 100% wool. Guaranteed 100%. This one is called Jacob Reed's John. The date on this one is August 3rd, 1956. Damn. I don't see any material tags on this one. 1956. This is the one that I was looking forward to. This one is a 36 extra small. And it has all the pins on the front, on the collar. This is the Air Force. That's an Air Force tag. It has one of those weird tags with only the contract number. 100% wool on this one though. But it might be more tags in the pockets, you know. I just gotta search around the pockets. Alright, let's see. I got another one with a lot of pins on it. I don't find these all the time, so you do forget. Let's see, this one is All Wool by Davis Clothing Company in Boston. Tag on this one, let's see. Size 38, regular. Not dated in the tag. It could be dated somewhere, you know. Just gotta keep looking. That's another cool one though. With all the pins on the front. I don't know what these pins are. I think they're a lot of different flags. Alright, this is the last one. Made in USA. Still a nice one right here. This is probably some kind of sergeant. I'm not sure though. You already know. Inside tag. Let's see. And all of this will be available on my Etsy by the time y'all see this video. Made in USA. This one is made by Bremen Bowden. 43 regular, and I don't think it has a date either. I'm sure this has another tag, definitely. Let me just look around and see. But this one has an official military tag, so it has to have the bigger tag. I don't know. I think this one was February 2011. So this is probably like a newer one right here. Yeah. All right, I might be shaky. I got everything all laid out so you guys can see them. And it's supposed to be 14, but I got 11. Wait, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, I'm missing 3, so I gotta get that. Show y'all a few more details. That's like the sergeant one. Still gotta search all of these patches. Too clean. But by the time you guys see all this, it will be available on my Etsy and Depop. Well, I'm gonna go and end the video right there. I'm hot, sweaty as hell. So make sure you guys hit that like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell for future videos. Make sure you guys hype this video. But yeah, I'm about to see what's up with my other 3 items because I need that. But yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. And we out.
Preview.